everyone, welcome back to my channel after a long break. I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but I'm back now and I'm going to be posting from now on. And today we're going to be looking at a really common issue with grammar in English, make versus do. So first we'll start with do and then we'll go on to make, do a comparison and then a summary at the end also. Okay, so let's get started with do. Now the first thing you want to know about do is that we use it with jobs, work and tasks. For example, did you do your homework? Are you doing the housework? And I wouldn't like to do that job. Secondly, do is used with activities, but more like general activities that are not specific. For example, hurry up, I've got things to do something, don't just stand there, or give me something to do, I'm bored. Thirdly, we want to use do when we want to replace a verb that is common. So rather than repeating the verb, you can just replace it with do instead. For example, you would normally say, I'm going to brush my hair. And instead of saying brush, you could say do instead. So you could say, I'm going to do my hair this evening. Or you could change it for something like dishes. You could say, have you done the dishes? Rather than saying washed, you could change that to do as well. And for the fourth one, we also use do to talk about general good or bad things. For example, you did your best, or to do well and to do badly. For example, I think I did really well in the quiz, or everyone did badly in the exam. Now, moving on to make, the first thing we can use make with is constructing, building, and producing something. For example, this ring is made of gold, this house was made of wood, wine is made from grapes, and this watch was made in Switzerland. Secondly, we use make for producing a reaction or an action, or even an emotion. So for example, stop cutting those onions, it makes my eyes water, or simply, you make me happy or you make me sad. Thirdly, we can use make before certain nouns when we are making plans or decisions. For example, he made plans for the weekend, they are making an arrangement right now, and you need to make a decision right now. Fourthly, we use make before nouns that refer to speaking or certain sounds. For example, she made a nice comment about my dress, or can I use your phone to make a call? And for the fifth one, make is used before food, drinks and meals in all situations. So for example, my mum made the dinner this evening, or I made a cake for her birthday and she made me a nice cup of tea. For number 6, we can also use make with money. So for example, just in general, to make money, to make a profit, to make a fortune, or you can use make before a currency. For example, to make a buck would be American dollars, and to make a quid would be British pounds. For example, I enjoy my job, but I don't make a lot of money, and the company made a lot of profit in the first year, or he made a fortune when his book hit the #1 bestsellers list. And lastly, I made $200 selling all of my old CDs. And the last one for make, number 7, we can use make with a lot of things to do with relationships. So for example, just make friends in general, or you can also use it with make up. Now normally makeup can be used with lots of different people, not just friends, boyfriend and girlfriend, anyone really, even family members. So for example, it's hard to make friends when you move to a big city, or Karen and Jennifer made up after a big fight last weekend. Okay, so that's it guys for this video. If you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for the future classes. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.